Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming prerequisites: your Azure AD account, corporate email, and device enrollment permissions. Once confirmed, install the Company Portal app from the store on your device. Sign in using your work credentials and accept the organization's permissions prompt so the portal can manage device settings. Make sure to allow location or device management prompts if requested. These are required for compliance checks. After signing in, you'll see your company dashboard and an initial enrollment button. Tap that to begin enrollment now. Once done with initial sign-in, follow the enrollment flow for your platform. Android will request a device admin or work profile, iOS will prompt configuration profile installation, and Windows walks you through Access Work or School. Make sure to install any device management certificates and accept required permissions so policies can apply. Configure a strong PIN or biometrics when prompted. This enforces compliance. After configuration, Company Portal will check policies and show required apps. Install mandated apps to meet compliance and maintain access to corporate resources. To finish, verify your device shows as compliant in the portal and that required apps are installed. Once policies are applied, test access to email and corporate resources. If policies don't appear, sync manually from the app or open settings accounts to force a refresh. If problems persist, restart the device, reinstall Company Portal, or remove and re-enroll the device. This clears stale profiles. As a last step, contact your IT admin with the device registration ID shown in the app so they can troubleshoot server-side issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.